3 years ago, when I started my first business, a lot of things were running inside my head. I was stuck, I was scared, I was confused. A lot of people, even my relatives, were telling me business is not for you. And to do a business, you got to have a huge amount of capital. Which I would say, it is not wrong. And to be honest, their words and these confusion things were holding me back for a certain period of time. But here's the thing. When you really, really want to do something passionately, not being infatuated, the purest form of energy inside you evolves, and cohesively, your energy and your ideas pushes you to find a way to do it. So you don't have to know everything. You don't have to see everything. Sometimes it's good to go impromptu. So I don't care where you're from. I don't care how much money do you have right now. I don't care if you are broke. Because if you want something, you will find a way to do it. And it's already within you. You just have to take the first step. Because if you want to move from this point to this point, you just have to start moving. Don't worry about what's going to happen after 5 minutes. Don't worry about what's going to happen tomorrow. That's not up to you. You can't control that. But this very moment right here, you are controlling this moment. So give your best. And remember, it's already within you.